The number one Tron TRX price prediction. Before I get into it, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys more than you could possibly imagine. If you're new, we do occasional giveaways. If you want to participate and not miss future videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and you must comment down below because we pick people from the commenters when we do the occasional giveaways, and then we announce who got selected on videos that follow. So there's been a lot of talk due to Granada, TRON TRX, Justin Sun announcing that his intentions, or his attention rather, will be not solely focused only on TRON TRX and BitTorrent BTT, but that he will be the ambassador for Granada. He will also be traveling to outer space sometime next year, but that's for another video and what I think about that. However, here's the point. Tron's value is about its internal structure. It's not about the face of the company. And I'm going to get into the price prediction. I'm not going to make you wait the whole video to get into that. But I promise you, this is the most important video you will watch this year and next year on a Tron TRX price prediction. And I will prove it to you. And once I've done that, we'll do a quick flash round through the news. Let's go. So I'm going to cover a couple little articles here that haven't influenced my decision, but do have some important information in there that can make you think about why it is that deep thought is required. It's not just about what you see on the surface, because quite often in business, what seems to be obvious to most of the outside people is going to be wrong. In other words, what you think, and in most cases, especially in cryptocurrency, if it's something that swings you to the negative, and does so quickly, causes a quick emotional negative response, I promise you, almost always it's going to be wrong. So here we go. Tron, do the risks outweigh the rewards? And this is Wednesday, this is a December 22nd article. This was yesterday. Today is December 23rd. It is, looking in here, the lighting's not the best, but I've got some wild sunlight happening with my... Let me see if I can do something about that here real quickly. I don't think I can, and I'll get into it in a minute here. So just bear with me. I promise I'm not going to spend more than another 20 seconds on the lighting because it's good enough. And you guys know I'm a supermodel anyway, so we don't need the lighting. All right. Where was I? Oh, yes. Tron receives a low risk rating from Investors Observer Analysis. The proprietary scoring system analyzes how much money was required to move the price over the past 24 hours. Now, since around 2007 late, we've swung from about 4 cents all the way into the highs for Tron and everywhere in between. We're currently sitting a hair above or a hair below 8 cents. That's what it's been doing today up until this point. It's 11:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is, as I said, the 23rd of December. And we've held tight at about 8 cents, even with Justin making the announcement announcements that most would consider negative and alarming. The coin hasn't gotten hit very hard. Did you notice that? I think a lot of people thought it would get hit a lot harder. It did not. Tron receives a low risk rating. The metric at recent changes in volume and market cap to evaluate how much a coin can be manipulated by limited trading. The score ranges from 0 to 100, with low scores representing high risk and high values equating to low risk. Trading analysis. TRX's current risk score means it is a relatively low risk investment. Investors primarily concerned with risk assessment will find this score most influential in order to avoid or potentially seek out the risky. So I'm going to get into my price prediction in a moment, but I just want to tell you something. It depends on Tron's structures, internal functionality of its build, of its soul, not on the face of the company. Yes, the implementation is something else, but it's the core features. When those core features are ready to perform at their best, that is what is going to deliver the value of TRON TRX and thus the price. It's been solid at 8 cents. It has not gotten slammed down much more than that in quite a long time. We've doubled the coin price since late 2017, fiddling around the 4 cent or just a hair under mark. And this is all a very good sign because look, with other coins that have a face, not a celebrity face that adopted it like a Doge that with Elon Musk, unless there's things we don't know about and he's the creator, which it looks like he isn't, but who knows. I'm talking about the actual, like a Buterin, right? The face, Cardano's face, Hodgkinson. So those are the real faces. Now, that aside, if a coin does not have a face, like Doge from the beginning, and it adopted a face, that's one thing. But what am I trying to say? The value is not maintained by the face. The value is maintained by the soul, and the soul is the build. And there is a good build here. There are some good things in these articles here that I agree with and some that I disagree with. I'm getting to the price prediction in a minute. The price volatility of TRX over the last 24 hours, just bear with me, in a low risk analysis due to its price volatility in combination with changes in trading volume, giving investors a reason to be confident on the coin's manipulation as of now. And I always tell it to you like it is. There's an article here that, the lady girl tries to be gentle, tries to be ambiguously specific, and sort of doesn't exactly contradict herself, but makes it where she can't be faulted because she kind of plays both sides of the coin. TRON price analysis, TRX long-term, this is the article I'm talking about, Roxanne Williams. So, again, I'm not knocking her, just the style of the article and the way it's written. Maybe she's told to write this way. TRON is a global file sharing platform that allows developers, I'm getting to the price prediction, to build decentralized applications. I'm trying to make a point first. It was founded in 2017 by Justin Sun, a tech entrepreneur. The centralized world is prone to misinformation and data manipulation, and it uses personal data for revenue generation. Have you ever thought if we could live in a decentralized world based on blockchain protocols? TRON has been building an infrastructure for this. It is beyond the border and censorship. Moreover, it provides complete control over its users' data and security. The aim is to simplify blockchain for upgraded technologies that will be more useful, more user-friendly. With the help of its own TVM, TRON virtual machine. So here's what I've been talking about as far as the build. TVM works as the operating system of the decentralized interface. It is the fastest growing public blockchain with over 68 million accounts. She is not TRON. She is writing an article. Do you think she's hyping the 68 million accounts? Do you think that if, let's say, I made a video about TRON, it was a previous video, I believe, dissolving, the TRON network dissolving. So most people, when they read that, they thought the coin was going to zero. If somebody wrote that the TVM, the TRON virtual machine, is dissolving, then yes, you can go crazy, you have a major problem. But that's not what they wrote. The best part is, Bitcoin can handle 6 to 10 transactions per second, whereas TRON can handle more than 1,500 transactions per second. Moreover, it is a scalable and secure network like the top two currencies. I'm getting to my point with her in a minute. It has even partnered with big companies such as Samsung, Oprah, BitTorrent, Poloniex, etc. The aim is to develop dApps that operate with a lower emergency consumption to enhance speed and safety. TRX is the token of TRON blockchain. It has a supply of 101.0 billion TRX. It has no hard cap. Let's dig to know more about the price chart of TRX. I'm not going to cover the price chart. You could see where the article's from. As the time of writing of this article, TRON is just under 8 cents, which has broken the support level. It's now trying to regain its support level. Since August, it's maintained the 7.5 support level. The RSI is in the oversold zone and the online daily chart in MAC is neutral. It's tough to assume the direction of the price chart. Though the volatility is less, the Bollinger Band is bearish. If you analyze closely, you can find some candlesticks that have already broken the lower half. Many of them think it has the potential to provide a long-term return like Bitcoin. However, the news of TRON founder Justin Sun leaving may affect the price next year. It's not the right time to buy TRX because it's broken the support level Wrong that it's not the right time. However, with the rise of dApps and DeFi, play a virtual role in the upgraded model of decentralized Web 0.3, if you understand the fundamental and future potentiality, then you can start accumulating the coins. So wrong time to buy, but you can start accumulating the coins. Which is it? So a lot of articles are like this. It's not her fault. I'm not blaming her. I understand, and she has to toe the line because, listen, after all, she is employed by an employer, right? So what's my point? It is the right time to buy. The time to buy is now. There's never been a better time. And if you got the pockets, if you have the dineros, start amping it up. Because I'm going to tell you right now, and I haven't made a short-term TRON TRX prediction in a while, but I'm going to right now, and that's why this video is the #1 TRON TRX price prediction. Again, in my opinion, not investment advice. I'm checking the time of the video. I gotta say, I've gone a lot longer than I thought I would go on this video. So, and I didn't even mean to do this at the end, by the way. However, December 23rd, 2021, 11:11 Eastern Standard Time, Tron sitting just under 8 cents. We're going to a double. We're going to see 16 cents by the end of January. I will not do a flash round through the news. I'll do it the next video. Hope this finds you healthy, happy. I will see you on the next video.